Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a reminder in Notion. So, first thing you're going to do is make sure you have Notion opened and clicked inside where you can see the prompt that says write, press space for AI /4 commands. We're going to hit the forward slash key on our keyboard and we're going to type in reminder. You're going to see the filtered option where it says date or reminder. You're going to click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to go where it says remind tomorrow at 9 a.m. We're going to click on that. You're going to see that now you have something in blue text that says at tomorrow 9 a.m. with a little icon of a clock. We're going to click on that. When we click on that, you're going to get a calendar that's going to be full of a bunch of different things. So you have your date and your time. You're going to pick your date and your time. I hope that this will change when I'm ready for it to change. So we're going to go and change this to 12 p.m. because that's what it is today, right now. Then you have the option to go to remind. So you can remind on the day of the event. You can remind at the time of an event. So let's just go at the time of the event. And then you have those options there. Then if you wanna have an end date for your reminder, you would do the same thing. You can see that it just turned red because of the time just changed. So then you can include time, you can choose not to include the time. You can go to your time zone and you can also edit the date format and or you could just simply clear the whole thing. And that is how you set a reminder in Notion. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful as well. Thanks. Bye.